All right, what's up guys? Today we got a Bosch heat pump install on the lake. Absolutely beautiful day. Does not get much better than this. Check this video out. Did that one last year. Look at this beast.
Yeah.
Why is it so big, man? I mean, and then the hill we gotta drag it up. Here's the inside. Not bad. Who runs this gas line like this? Really? Can't fit it under there. Whatever. I'm not reusing these. I mean, they siliconed it. That's not the peel foam insulation tape. Like, that's not, whatever. They're not in good shape. We need to get new legs. Well, this is absolutely disgusting. You can hear them. There's like 30 baby mice in this thing. They crawled up his leg.
They crawled up my leg.
Now you see why I wasn't doing anything. I made him do it. Indoor coil. Heat pump. I'm out of breath. This big ass hill. All right, we gotta go get some stuff. Blast the AC in the van.
Switch it up! Come again.
Little access door makes it pretty handy. closet inside of a closet. The check attempts, but I am not happy. I ran out of foil tape and I used duct tape. It's literally the first time I've ever done that. But like I said, closet inside of a closet. Whatever, right? Check attempts, but I'm just gonna throw this somewhere in the video around when the duct board falls down. All this hackery that I'm dealing with. I never use tape. I'm gonna get a new roll, probably get 2 rolls now, but I can't remember the last time I grabbed the tape, the foil tape off the van. Build the metal perfect, use some silicone. You shouldn't have to use tape, okay? Long story short, I didn't have any stock. I did not have enough stock today. On the inside here on the coil, we're in a closet, inside of a closet, inside of a guest room, upstairs where they don't even sleep. They don't even stay at this house anyways. Whatever, okay? Closet inside of a closet. Yes, I got some chapped lips. Yes, I threw some duct tape on it, okay? It doesn't look good, I know, but it moves air. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Also, I was 35 minutes away from our shop and any supply shops. I'm not making an hour and 10-minute trip to go get some foil tape so I can make sure this looks good inside of a closet, inside of a closet. All right. What? All right, guys, that does it for this video. Van's in the garage. We're home now. Time to relax. All right, Bosch heat pump install on the leg does not get much better than that. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button. All right, peace.